RJ's Candy just got in these brand new high chew gummies, and we're gonna try them. Apparently these things are like gushers. Oh my god. There's supposed to be juice inside of them. That's exciting. These guys are way bigger than I expected them to be. They're stuck together. Okay, so we have peach, strawberry, and mango. This one's looking like it's gonna be peach. All right, cheers. Absolutely. I don't think there's actually a peach high chew, but if it were to exist, that's exactly what I'd expect it to taste like. Looking for a strawberry one. Okay, there we go. A lot of these look the same. I'm gonna guess that this one's strawberry. Cheers. I was correct, absolutely. That's also really good. Tastes exactly like a high chew. We're 2 for 2 so far. Here's the mango. Oh my god. I almost lost that one. I'm personally not even a fan of mango. That was good. Every single flavor was delicious. Those are just really good. These are getting a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend.